Hi, Niyar. Good afternoon. How are you?
Hello, sir. I'm fine. What's about you, sir?
I'm good. Thank you, Niyar. Thanks for coming interview.
Thank
And
you, sir.
yeah, so
I'm glad to have the opportunity.
yeah. So Nihar, meet my team manager and meet Rahul is our client. And let me explain you what we are looking a candidate. We are looking at a profile like candidate who has experience, even also zero is fine, a college graduate is fine. But if you're good to have a 0 to 1 year experience, the candidate, and we're looking someone who have a strong knowledge on Microsoft SQL Server database. We are looking someone who has a good knowledge on Microsoft Excel,
Yes.
additionally Google Sheet and the PowerPoint presentation.
Yes.
And at the same time, you are looking must have knowledge on Tableau or any visualization tool is fine. And
Yes.
good to have a Python. Also, additionally, we're looking who have a knowledge on big data, knowledge on cloud, AWS. Also, we are looking who have knowledge on CRM tool, and looking who can independently with minimal effort can start the work. So this profile is fine if you are, I understand you are fresher, no experience, you are college graduate, you're from commerce background.
Yes.
So coming the profile, first of the profile is matching, and the profile is what you are looking is you are okay with that profile.
Yes, sir. I'm okay with that profile because 80% of your JD is exactly match what I have known till now.
Okay. How will you manage this 20%? The first question is coming. If 80% JD is matching,
Okay.
what about the 20%? How will you overcome? How will you can manage? Can you please?
Okay. Yes, sir. Definitely. I will definitely complete that 20% within my working period by learning from my group and team members and from my manager. Working with that 80% will help me to reach out over there 20%, sir, in my point of view.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Nice. So can you give your details like your introduction, education, your daily task, what you skills, so that
Yes.
team
Yes.
and me can understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this chance, sir. I am Nyaranjan Panigrai from Bangalore, and I have completed my post-graduation in the year 2020 in the branch of business administration, and my major specialization in finance and minor in marketing. I have two double specializations. And coming to my internship time, like I have completed one internship where in Bangalore at Data Gyan, where I have worked with so many projects in that internship period. And I'm working with the help of tools like MS Excel, SQL, Tableau, PPT, and Google Sheets, as well as some particular work in Python also. And come to my day-to-day work, first starting from communicating with my manager, different stakeholder, and my superior, and getting the details what to do with the work related to data. And after that, in Excel, basically we are cleaning the data, validating the data, then using a pivot table, we are filtering the data in various group. Thereafter, we are making like charts and bar to make a interactive dashboard for better understanding of the client. After that, if there is a requirement, we are extracting data from Excel into SQL, like Microsoft SQL Server. Then in SQL, we are querying the data as per the requirement of the client or manager, what we are assigned. And after getting the insights from SQL, we are save the file and transferring it into SQL or Tableau to make further reports and dashboards relating to that particular data, sir.
Okay, I'm impressed your profile as a fresher. You done a lot of things. Okay, and yeah. So my one question, like how you motivated? Like you are a commerce graduate. Okay,
Yes,
how
yes.
you got motivated to become a data scientist and data professor? Where
Okay.
your journey starts?
Sir, actually, since my graduation time, I was very eager to learn as well as build a professional career in data field. But somehow, I think that after graduation, in my point of view, sir, after graduation in a commerce background, I don't get that much information from the society, from the surrounding in which I live. Then try to get enrolled in a university in MBA program. After completing my MBA in the year 2020, I start looking for opportunities in this data field like data analytics, business analytics, MIS reporting, then data science, BI, business intelligence, like that kind of stuffs. And I got to know from so many persons, like if you are interested in data management, data analytics field, then you must have a career in statistics and you must have a career in computer science engineering. But when I came to know about Data Gyan in LinkedIn, I so many of my connections are replied me to the question that what are the prerequisite of data analytics or data science for a
Okay,
non-technical background student.
okay. So that is
Then
why you got an idea
yes,
from the. Okay,
yes.
okay, okay. So I will start from our analytics question. What
Okay,
is
sir.
what do you mean by data?
Yes, sir. I simplified your question. Data. Data is everything. Data is like a ball, a bat, a name of a person, a name of a place. Everything is data. But a data is only workable when it converted into a information. Like valuable information is working, and every data is not applicable in our day-to-day work, sir.
Okay. So then, what is the difference between data and information?
Yes, exactly. Sir, data is, you can say, uh, Sambalpur each city. Okay. It is a data which I got from a website. But a city is called Sambalpur.
Okay.
That is a information about a particular thing. That is information.
Okay. Okay. Nice. What do you mean by structure and unstructured data?
Okay, so structure basically when we are reading something in the form of PDF text and watching some videos, we can say that structure that are in some kind of fixed format in like which we can use easily.
Okay. Uh, and when I'm telling you, you told a lot of data you are managing. You are telling
Yes.
I'm extracting data from internal data and external data. Can you give some example where you do extract the data from external data?
Okay. I want to say about my organization, sir. When I was an intern there, I collect data from Naukri websites, LinkedIn, and Facebooks, and as well as I got some internal data from my manager, which he collect from like mail mail ID of some websites and the past data, historical data of our organization, and extract that data and collect into a particular database, and thereafter I extract as per my requirement what data I require. I extract from that database only, sir.
Okay, nice. What do you mean by like if you should differentiate by a database, data warehousing, and data lake?
Okay, sir. Can I give some examples, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Then database we can tell like a water bottle. Okay. where we contain water. Okay. In the broader sense, then data warehouse, where the bottle, we can take it example as like freeze is a example of data warehouse where we store that databases. Okay. After that, data lake is the huge like bulk amount of databases we can store in data lake. Like normally we can say it is a lake, huge amount of data we can.
Okay. So which one is the good? Data lake, data warehousing, or database?
Sir, as of now, for my work, database is compatible for me. If there is a requirement in future, I can use data warehouse as well as data lake. Sir.
Okay. And what do you mean by data transformation?
Okay, sir. Data transformation in SQL, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Like converting the data type in particularly one type to another type. In my point of view, like if we have some data in the like raw form, we can transform that data into our database by cleaning the data, filtering out the data. Then so many work over there, like some data is having lowercase, uppercase. We need to make that proper case. Then finding and replace the name which we need to replace, and then only we can save it in some format like .csv or .xls. Then we can transform the data.
Okay. Can you explain like SQL sub language, please?
Sub languages.
Like DDL.
Okay, sir. DDL, DML. Like DDL is the data definition language. DML is the data manipulating, in which we are using the data like manipulating the data. And DML, DDL. Another one is data.
TCL and DCL.
Sorry, sir. I'm
Okay.
like
Okay, you
unable
can
to
check
recall.
it. Okay.
Yes.
What is a trigger in SQL, and what is why you use it trigger?
Yes, actually we are using in RDBMS trigger is used for like when we require to recalling or targeting some data in like your relational database, we use triggers.
Okay, nice. And tell me different type of schema available.
Schema.
No idea.
Actually, I have idea on that, sir. But
what about the
as of
star
now,
schema, galaxy, hybrid schema? You don't have idea that one? Okay.
yes,
No
we have.
problem.
I have a little bit of idea on that, sir.
Okay.
As of now.
Can you explain that SQL Windows function?
Yes, sir. Windows function are basically used to when we input the data in SQL, we require to putting some functions in that, like rank function. Okay, then aggregate function. Under that Windows function, rank function came, in which we are ranking the data as per their rows number. Rank, then dense rank, then entile, then one is forget.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, we are using row number also, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
how to find second highest salary? You can tell the logic is fine for me.
Second higher salary. Okay, sir. Uh, we can select top one salary from a particular table name, employee table. Okay, let one table name is employee. Select top one salary from employee table. Then select distinct top two salary from that employee table. It's showing like, sir, we are finding top one salary from a particular data set. After that, we are subquerying under that particular main query. We are putting a subquery top that it's showing like the third one, like top third salary of that particular
Okay.
data set.
Okay. Uh, Tell me, what is the difference between delete and a drop?
Yes, sir. In delete, we are deleting particular one thing, but the data structure and the table structure will not deleted, like not omitted. But in drop, if we are using the drop statement, then everything starting from the table to the data structure to the table structure, everything will deleted. And it will not recover if we are not putting the rollback statement after giving that drop statement.
Okay. Do you have a knowledge in a macro tool?
Uh,
Macro in Excel, sorry, macro in Excel.
no, sir, not that much, but I know what is macro is. Macro is working like our stored procedure in SQL. What we did, like if we have to work on a particular data on the daily basis, like repeated data, we have to enter like name, roll number, then gender, age, and mobile number of a student table. We are using stored procedure in SQL. Same, we are using macros in SQL that come under advanced Excel, and in which we shape one macros that having the all data which we are required to putting every day in our database. So it will help in saving the time, sir, basically, and more reliable.
Okay. And what is the conditional formatting in Excel and what is the maximum condition we can apply?
Okay. Sir, in conditional formatting, we are restricting to something like I can say like in conditional formatting, when I want to give an example, sir. When we are trying to opening a Demat account in our mobile phone, we are putting what they are asking, like what is your salary, monthly salary, and we are putting like 20,000, and there was a pop-up like you are not eligible to get a Demat account in our bank, like that. We are use the conditional formatting in restricting something in a particular column.
Okay, nice. What is the difference of Tableau desktop and Tableau server?
Sir, in Tableau desktop, we can create Tableau desktop. We can create visualizations as well as dashboard as well as story. Okay, and save it. But in Tableau server, we can share share that dashboard which we make in Tableau easily in a couple of seconds.
Okay, okay.
Oh, and Tableau server is using when we are in a community of a group of people. We can share our experience, our work with our colleagues and team managers.
How much salary you are expecting, Nihar, as a fresher, entry level?
Sir, as a fresher, I don't have work experience, but I have internship experience, and I think that that internship will may add so many values to your organization. So I can say that I want 4.5 to 5 lakhs as a fresher, sir.
Is that negotiable slightly?
Yes, it is negotiable, sir.
Yeah. Okay, all right. I think we're done, and I'm impressed your profile here. As your fresher, you've done a lot of things. I hope for the best, and we are at the same time so looking few candidate.
Yes,
And
sir.
if things is good, then HR will get back to you. Okay, thank you.
Sure, son. Thank you.